Hey, you cameraman, I go deal with you. I go when I go reason your matter finish, I go deal. Oh, but man, over that guy, you don't do any. How far? I don't show you again. What's the apple? See guys there, see the sexy ladies already out there. Hello, my greetings to it so now. I'm up to basket, so I'm up to for basin. When I go see you reason, I don't lie again. You know, say every call like this. Now food gist I won't relate to. And the gist where they trouble niggas, where they trouble everybody for outside. I want to see me relate. Make it for no loss, so make I just do like 30 seconds introduction. This is Kingsdom Comedy Gist, aka Mr. Gist, the guy where they always bring gist to your doorstep. You understand? As the matter they use, they go. We always call them, make it for no loss. You no go loss. As far as they hear the matter as it be, you no go loss. We always tell you what you want. You no feel loss. I make it for no loss, so that was you still there. Yeah. But I want to ask you a question. Wait. What did always happen for this country? You understand? Why do people in the line mind their business? If you do, they go talk. If you don't do, they don't go talk. Say, me I do what I want. It can say you. Wait, it can say you. Wait, now you're like, it's my like. I beg, it's my like. True, bros, it's my like. Let me be now. Oh, but it's not a time you. Somebody asked me for airport that day. They tell me say, if that's say you go to Dubai, don't come. You like woman too much. Yeah. But when we get me, see me see trouble. Oh, Salobo, it concern you. You know, I like woman. Now your business. True. Everybody don't sing. Rama sing. Two-Face sing. You seen the worry for person we like. It concern. Wait, I want to ask you a question. If I don't like woman, what's here again? That one number one. No, you will be my guy if they ask me say I too like woman. If I don't like woman, now you are good like. May you check on. You get away some guys they I don't understand. Okay, so I like woman now. Mad the eye. You see, Rema even small. They just saying like me. I love them. Man, when they all line up. Now turn by turn. He asked me say, "It concern you." May you just try the face of business. Who like woman may lie. Now see, what when people need to understand about this life, every single person they do not choice. Me, I get the choice of liking women, not the guys. Like women, I love them. Anyway, you know the girl. We like something soft now. I get what I've been. And they tell me that what they get. Mr. Gist, it's like it concern you. Oh, you want my like your sister? If I don't tell me now, true. Me I don't get issue for that one. So don't know your sister. You bring her. But give my number. 0. No, I don't give her now. Guys. So no, yeah, what's the matter? When they worry me, so I like woman. They worry me. They worry me. Man, give you a quick one. Where they just happened yesterday. Wait, you never experience say you dey classroom. You know those days like so dey school. You understand? They go don't signal. They go don't indicate one nigga so but that guy no book. That guy yeah they hot for book. Yeah, you never know till they happen. That guy. All you guys don't pull my for that guy. Babes don't pull my. Maybe like 100 pesos for class. Yeah. All these people they only like 3. And that 3 where they be so class teacher don't know that these niggas they hold the class. You can't spread them. We now we be like so we not to know. We call the fight. So one go they get the so that information will quick pass. How dare me now? It happened. When this what happened there, it hits everybody. This information hits everybody. I tell you. That year now, we all day classroom. You get this guy. One in Okparu. The other one, they call her Usaro, and they call that one. Okparo good though. The guy all know. I don't know, but the guy all the intelligent. Osaro, that one too brave. You know, it don't happen to me. I don't know what you happen. But the way they say the guy know, one a formality, but you know, the guy the way person go where you reach. I don't know where the expense. Person go where you pass what's in your pocket. Now you want to come explain to the guy, say, bros, I better than me again. But you don't look at him and say, maybe for example now H dey your pocket. Person gonna hear you a way reach like 4K. Now you go beg the person later now. Bros, I beg. Bros, I beg stop. Bros, I beg stop. Bros, no hit me again. Because you know made a beat to join for the matter. The craze, so not in your pocket. All those guys Yoruba boys, they're good for that level. Yoruba boys. Only if you hear away be like share. For your bank account, not to do. They go hear you be like say, I don't know the one I want to put on. Now you come one go corner and say, bros, I beg. Nothing the man. You call the explain. You call the explain, bros. They say you work. They'll continue your area. They want to make you off finish and may not drop anything. You don't see that area where they give you a mean and sheen or bitter your destiny come off for your body. And your skin will remain. There's if the color still remain wasting deal. But when I saw the class, it don't happen. And that day I know say, uno go no. I sit down with one guy, that guy will call Saro. Luckily for me, I call Jay with him. That's not Saro good for all the whole subject. Not knowing to me say it's all good for history. But people just, you know, get away with all that. They all ask about question, you just start up. Because we know something is formality. And the blue economy, you know, Nigeria economy. So if like say, we don't know Nigeria economy where they go. Some say they don't enter Sabisa. Some say they enter land of no return. Meaning say the crash, they don't finish. I be lying. I try to tell you, me I go always give you gist. Oh yeah, Saro work don't start. Tomorrow could start matter. Yeah, Saro did there. Me and they try rock. Despite I don't too know. Because I would give you that type of class. Teacher knows say all this one there. They don't know anything. I said they call us. But on the norm, say me I don't put my say now Saro me go. Pump. So I don't know so Saro they get time for mine. Say me I know something. Me. I'm not so Saro no. But Saro won't ask me. Even me won't ask Saro will ask me. No one's a fella say double wahala for everybody. Now that one a kasala. Even they don't base. Do you know in the end I was able to give the Nigeria constitution. As in give me now, I give them back. Because Osaro, no, you go Osaro, how far? So they say, if you ask me, I go ask. Now then he confess. He said, Mr. G's. I say, eh? He said, Mr. G's. I say, eh? I won't give you your G so you know. I said, which G to give me no know? But he said he won't give me G so I know. I don't already know. He said, oh, Saro. He said, Mr. G's. This G's, he go shock you. He said, Mr. G's. I bet tell me the answer. He said, Mr. G's, tell me the answer. I shock. As in, if anything to a past shock, now it happened to me, now be that. Let me tell you, Saro. But me put mine for you now. I just confess you. He said, Mr. Gist. Don't let the way the vision now deceive you. Now the way you did, now did. You know what you go do? And these people come so we'll go give them back. They not go feel use their reggae, wear my blues. You say anybody will say our water no go boil, their own no go warm more. You not go feel, you not go see fire yourself. Share. Do you know say as we use right back, get the back. Now we get A for that course. Oh, but at the gist though, I didn't go fear the country road. The things they saw mysteries that Nigeria get mysteries. So if they find mysteries, call to the Nigeria matter. If our government don't give up mystery, like say we say we're not time for mystery. We want to see physical things now. Don't be mystery again. So now the matter be that. So make you not put your mind for person. Any person you want put your mind, you put her for low. I gonna go shop and I go matter and you know. You call God for phone, he go pick. God did again miss call. He dey pick all the call. You know get? So my guys, until we meet again, I go always love you and they bring the right gist, the right comedy. I'm more your laugh. See, more your gather day. Sometimes we don't get chance day where you day, but through this, more your the day, more your the get from excitement. Because we don't get the way to give, we don't get excited to give. You know get? And the matter be that. So like I said there, this is Kings Don Comedy Gist, aka Mr. Gist, the guy where they bring gist from all over the world, especially Naija matters. You know the Bekies. Yeah, we. I said no let and loss because what they bring onto your doorstep. Until we meet again, catch you. Check. Bekies.